Google Workspace can help you use your Google Drive more efficiently. So when you open your Google Drive, you're usually on My Drive, and sometimes you have to go to shared drives or something that's shared with you. But if you'll notice, there's a priority tab up here in the menu, and things you visit frequently are probably listed at the top, but below that, there is what's called a Workspaces section. And I actually use this for frequently visited files or folders. For instance, there's several things that I do first thing in the morning, and so I've created a workspace called Morning Tasks. I also have a project that I'm working on for a specialist degree, and so I have the files that I access there. This doesn't move the files, it just creates a place where you can quickly go to access them. You can create a workspace. Let's say there's certain files that you always access during your planning period. Maybe you create a workspace called Planning. That way, all of the files that you want to access are linked quickly. And so it usually suggests a few things. You can pick them. You can choose other files. You can see that there's a 25 file limit. You can pick files or folders from Recents, My Drive, or shared drives. It always starts with Recents, things that you open regularly. You pick the files and you create it, and whatever you want to create, add selected files. I'm just randomly picking something. And then your planning workspace, whatever files you want are there. You can always click the three dots and hide it, or when you're done with it, if it's just a temporary thing that you're going to use, you can remove the workspace. This is a nice quick way of organizing what you need without having to search for it every time you need it.